Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the BAHTTEXT function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is pretty simple and will maybe not be useful for everybody, but it's a cool function to know. So what exactly this function does, so it's pretty simple. It will convert a number to a Thai text and will add the suffix bath at the end. So how exactly this function works, it's pretty simple. We will require a few numbers. So let's say here we're gonna write down 10 and here we're gonna write down 20. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this function right here to those two numbers, and then we're gonna convert it back to, well, we're gonna translate it back to English to see if it works. So how exactly are we going to write this function? So pretty simple, we're simply going to write down equal, and then we are going to write down our function. So here it is, BAHTTEXT, and then we are going to select the cell that we want to use. So in this case, it's gonna be this cell right here. And then we can run our function. And just like that, as you can see right here, what we have our text that has been written in Thai. So if we do the same thing for this cell right here, so let's write it down. There we go. Once again, we're gonna select this number here. And once again, it's written in Thai. Now, if we wanna verify if it works, since personally I don't speak Thai language, we are going to go inside of review. And here we're gonna use the translate feature to see if it really works. So we're gonna use translate. As you can see, it's currently translating. And as you can see here, it has automatically detected the Thai language. And as you can see, it has been translated to 10 bahts. So if we do the same thing here, same thing, it has translated the number 20 from 20 to 20 baht in in a text format. So this is how you can use the BAHTTEXT function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.